Discover this exceptional home offering main-level living and multiple entertaining decks, backing to a green space with gorgeous views, all in a coveted Sherwood neighborhood. Heading inside, experience the inviting interior filled with natural light, 2 gas fireplaces, engineered hardwood floors, and high ceilings. Entertain inside or out on the covered deck while taking in the panoramic views. Your dinner party is easy with the gourmet kitchen, including a Wolf dual-fuel range, a backup electric built-in oven, butler's pantry, and beautiful high-end finishes. Enjoy gracious, light-filled spaces wrapping you in comfort. Contemporary sliding doors open to the main-level office or flex space. Unwind in the spacious main-level primary suite with a spa-inspired ensuite bath, elegantly designed for the ultimate in relaxation, a huge walk-in closet, and a convenient laundry room. Downstairs, family or friends can gather by the fireplace while enjoying game night and making memories. You'll find 3 more generously sized bedrooms, including 2 with their own vanity and shared full bath, in this 4-bedroom, 3.5-bath home of more than 3,800 square feet. Another covered deck gives additional options for fun-filled gatherings or just taking in the serene setting. No matter where you turn, this home just feels like home. A remarkable home that's better than new in a fantastic location. It's all here ready for you to call home. To schedule your personal tour or for more information, please contact Jeff Wiren with Premier Property Group at 503-869-3513.